welcome back to #ALLYFRIEND. A few weeks ago I went to Apple Hill and it's about a few hours. And here we also picked some apples.
Yeah, we have golden delicious today and red delicious. And we're going to make, what are we making today, Lydia?
Applesauce. Since it's fall.
Yes, we're gonna make it into an Instapot recipe. So let's get started. So you're gonna start off by cutting and peeling apples to fill half of your pot. And you're going to add lemon juice. And you're just gonna go around like that twice. Then add a tablespoon of cinnamon. A half a cup of water. For my sugar today I'm using Truvia. You don't have to use it, but it's the healthier version. It's a half a cup of Truvia. If you'd like to use normal sugar, it would be 1 cup of sugar. Mix well, and then cover the pot and turn the valve to sealing. Press manual and adjust the high pressure cook time to 5 minutes. Open the Instapot and mash the apples.
Make sure you taste test.